In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use CE variant in Jujutsu Beatdown. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The CE variant or Cursed Energy variant allows you to enter the Black Flash mode. So as you might be aware, when you press E, you channel your Cursed Energy and you will see these blue sparks originating from your character's arms. Now, if you keep doing this, eventually you will see red sparks originate from the entirety of your character instead of these blue ones. This is what allows you to go into Black Flash, and sadly it's all down to luck, so all that you have to do is keep pressing E. So every single time that you press E, you have a small chance of going into Black Flash mode or the CE variant. Keep in mind that once you see the red sparks, you will have to hit an opponent immediately, so be prepared. You can hit a dummy as well, so I am using a dummy to demonstrate this. So all that you have to do is keep pressing E, and then when you see the red sparks appear, hit an opponent immediately. So as you can see, I got into Black Flash. Now I'm able to use all of these moves. You will stay in this mode for a while, so don't worry about speeding through it or spamming everything. So your moves will be enhanced, you will have more agility, and as you can see overall, it is simply more flashy. So I'm just going to use these abilities to demonstrate how it looks, and like I said, all that you have to do is keep pressing E. Remember to stop pressing E after you get into Black Flash, because there is a chance that you could actually end the Black Flash mode. So after you get on your CE variant, stop pressing E or the cursed energy will go away and you will exit Black Flash mode. But as long as you keep pressing E, you will be able to access this cursed energy variant. Once you stay here, some of your abilities might be enhanced or might be changed in certain ways, depending on which character you are playing as, such as Sukuna for example, and this is all you have to do to actually get inside of this mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to use CE variant in Jujutsu Beatdown. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.